So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use bullet points in your Adobe InDesign. So for that guys, first of all, you will need to open your software in your computer, and after that you guys will need to create a new file. You guys can create a new file by two methods. The first one is to use one of these shortcuts. The second one is to use this create new button. If you guys select this button right here, then you guys will get on this page. Now on its top left corner, you guys can see these options which says resend, save, print and many more. All of these are the types of templates that you can work on. After selecting a particular one like that, now guys you just need to select this create button right here. Now guys, as you can see on your left, you guys can see this option right here called type tool. Now just select it and make your type box right here. After that, you guys will need to increase the font size by 30 points. And now guys, you just need to select this type option right here. And now select this option right here. And now select this option right here, the first one. And now select the first one. And now as you can see, the bullet point now has been arrived into my text box. You can also do that guys by just commanding a shortcut, and that is Alt plus 8. So you just need to select Alt plus 8, and just like that guys, you can see there is another bullet point right here. So that's how you guys can use bullet points in your Adobe InDesign. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.